Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Neha. And as you all know that we are doing a series of passive formation. So I have come in this video with the passive formation in future indefinite tense. So as you all know that future indefinite tense is used for those actions that will be done in future time. The same thing will be done in future indefinite tense passive formation also. But in active formation, you need to start your sentence with subject, the doer of the action. But in passive formation, you need to start your sentence with object. But the best thing in passive formation is that you can mention the doer as well by adding by plus doer at the end of the sentence, right? So if I say मैं खाना खाऊंगा, in active formation you will say I will eat food. But if I want to make this sentence in passive formation, so you can say that food will be eaten by me, right? So if I talk about structure of passive formation in future indefinite tense in positive sentences, so your structure is subject plus will be plus V3 plus object. Now you have to make sure that your subject is not the doer. Your subject is here a receiver of an action, right? Now take some examples. खाना खाया जाएगा, फूड विल बी ईटन. उसे बता दिया जाएगा, ही विल बी टोल्ड. उसे इन्फॉर्म कर दिया जाएगा, ही विल बी इन्फॉर्म्ड. स्वीट्स बांटे जाएंगे, स्वीट्स विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. फंक्शन सेलिब्रेट किया जाएगा, फंक्शन विल बी सेलिब्रेटेड. उसे स्कूल ले जाया जाएगा, ही विल बी टेकन टू द स्कूल. खाना बनाया जाएगा, फूड विल बी कुक्ड. पार्सल भेजा जाएगा, पार्सल विल बी सेंट. बच्चों को पढ़ाया जाएगा, स्टूडेंट्स विल बी टॉट. चैप्टर पढ़ाया जाएगा, चैप्टर विल बी टॉट. And if I talk about negative sentence, so you need to use not with will, right? So your structure will be subject plus will not be plus V3 plus object. For example, खाना नहीं बनाया जाएगा, food will not be cooked. उसे नहीं बताया जाएगा, he will not be informed. Sweets नहीं बांटे जाएंगे, sweets will not be distributed. गिफ्ट नहीं दिया जाएगा, गिफ्ट will not be given. मनी पे नहीं की जाएगी, मनी विल नॉट बी पेड. ओके. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, so you need to use will at the beginning of the sentence. Why? Because in interrogative sentences we use helping verb at the beginning of the sentence, right? So structure will be will plus subject plus be plus V3 plus object. क्या खाना बनाया जाएगा, विल फूड बी कुक्ड, विल फूड बी कुक्ड. क्या उसे बताया जाएगा, विल ही बी इन्फॉर्म्ड. क्या तुम्हें गिफ्ट दिया जाएगा, विल यू बी गिवन गिफ्ट. नाउ इन द सेंटेंस यू विल फाइंड टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स. क्या तुम्हें गिफ्ट दिया जाएगा. ओके, सो देयर आर टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स, यू एंड गिफ्ट. So you can make this sentence by two ways, either by using you or gift. Will you be given a gift or will a gift be given to you? Both are correct. Okay. If I want to make this sentence by using you, by taking you first, then you have to make you. Will you be given a gift? Will you be given a gift? But if I want to make the sentence by using a gift first, then you have to make it will a gift be given to you. Will a gift be given to you. Okay. क्या चैप्टर पढ़ाया जाएगा, will a chapter be taught. क्या स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाया जाएगा, will students be taught. And we can make WH questions also by using WH words before helping verb, right? क्या किया जाएगा, व्हाट विल बी डन, किसे बुलाया जाएगा, हु विल बी कॉल्ड, किसे इनवाइट किया जाएगा, हु विल बी इनवाइटेड, कितने लोग इनवाइट किए जाएंगे, हाउ मेनी पीपल विल बी इनवाइटेड, किसे गिफ्ट दिया जाएगा, हु विल बी गिवन गिफ्ट, ओके, हु विल बी गिवन गिफ्ट, क्या बनाया जाएगा, व्हाट विल बी कुक्ड, राइट, क्या बांटा जाएगा, व्हाट विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. And if I talk about negative interrogative sentences, so again you can make this structure, this sentence by two ways. First way is using not at the beginning of the sentence with helping verb, right? So will plus not, it means will plus not, it means want. If I if I talk about the contracted form of will not, so will not is equal to want. Okay, so want plus subject plus be plus v3 plus subject. And the second way is will plus subject plus not plus be plus v3 plus subject. In the second way you have to use not at the third place of the sentence, right? क्या खाना नहीं बनाया जाएगा, will the food not be cooked, or want the food be cooked, want the food be cooked. क्या मिठाइयाँ नहीं बांटी जाएंगी, will the sweets not be distributed, or want the sweets be distributed. क्या उसे नहीं बताया जाएगा, will he not be informed, or want he be informed. क्या लेसन नहीं पढ़ाया जाएगा, will the lesson not be taught, will the lesson not be taught, or want the lesson be taught. क्या स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाया नहीं जाएगा, will the students not be taught, or want the students be taught, right? क्या पैसे नहीं दिए जाएंगे, मनी नहीं दी जाएगी, will money not be given, or want money be given. क्या ये नहीं किया जाएगा, will this work not be done, or want this work be done. Okay, क्या उसे डांटा नहीं जाएगा, want he be scolded, want he be scolded, or will he not be scolded. Okay, क्या उसे पनिशमेंट नहीं दी जाएगी, will he not be given punishment, will he not be given punishment, or won't he be given punishment, won't he be given punishment. Okay, you can make this sentence by using punishment first also. Okay, want the punishment be given to him, want the punishment be given to him, or will the punishment not be given to him, will the punishment not be given to him. Okay, so this is all about future indefinite tense passive formation, and I hope you have understood, but I wanted to make you understand. So keep practicing and make lots of sentences. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.